Are you ready to unlock the full potential of Microsoft Excel? You're just moments away from mastering one of the most essential tools in the modern workplace. Introducing our Excel Essentials free training. Whether you're a beginner just starting your journey, or an intermediate user looking to take your skills to the next level, this course is designed for you. Anyone who wants to boost their spreadsheet proficiency. Students, professionals, recent graduates, and anyone eager to stand out in the competitive job market should join this free training. Here is what you will learn. Navigate Excel with ease. Create and format spreadsheets effectively. Perform data analysis and make informed decisions using advanced functions and formulas. Visualize data with charts and graphs. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your career prospects. Join the Excel Essentials free training, your gateway to Excel mastery. Let's excel together.